Good morning, students. Lesson 8, Networking and E-commerce. Our today's topic is shopping on the web. Online shopping is a form of electronic commerce which allows consumers to directly buy goods or services from a seller over the internet using a web browser. Means consumers can able to buy goods and services directly from the internet. Consumers find a product of interest by visiting the website of the retailer directly or by searching among alternative vendors using a shopping search engine, which displays the same product's availability and pricing at different e-retailers. Now, for how to shopping on the web, I am sharing a video. In this video, you can see a boy is trying to buy a camera from Flipkart website. In your textbook, there is an example to buy a children book from Amazon website. So, this is a similar video. There are many other websites from where you can buy goods and services, but the options are similar. So, watch the video and learn how to shopping on the web.
What's the matter, Goggle?
Toggle, look at the price of this camera. It is so expensive. I don't have that much money.
Perhaps we can try searching in another shop.
I'm sure the price in the other stores will be more or less the same.
Goggle, why don't you purchase it through online shops? You might get the same item for a lesser price too.
Does the internet have such sites where I can purchase a camera?
Yes, of course, Goggle.
Then let's go home and connect to the internet.
I'm with you. Here we go.
Toggle, please show me how to purchase the camera through the web.
Sure, Goggle. I will show you step by step how you can make a purchase from an online store. Let's open the site, say flipkart.com. Perhaps we will get our camera there.
That sounds promising.
First type the website's URL www.flipkart.com in the address bar. The home page will appear. Under categories, look for cameras. When you point at cameras, you will notice that a list of different options for cameras opens on the right.
Wow, that's awesome. But Toggle, how can I select the one I want?
You can now select a camera subcategory or click on Camera Home to open the camera page.
Oh, great! These pages are exclusively for cameras.
Yes, Goggle. Now click the desired category in the Browse section.
I think I will choose the low-cost option so that the camera is within my budget. Let's see what we have here on this page. Hey Toggle, this is the camera I want to purchase. The same make and model. And best of all, it is cheaper than the one at the store.
Well, I did tell you that you may find the camera you are looking for on the web.
Now Toggle, how do I purchase this camera?
Okay, Goggle, now click to choose the camera you want to buy. Look, it has taken you to the page where it shows its brand, price, its availability and other details, and also the special offer that is available.
Yes, it is in stock.
Now, if you wish to buy this camera, click on the Buy This Now button. The next screen appears with details of your shopping cart. In case you do not wish to purchase this camera now, you can remove it by clicking on Remove Item.
Toggle, can I buy more than one piece?
Yes, you can. Click the Change option and type in the number of pieces you wish to buy. In case you do not want to purchase the camera and wish to go back to view other cameras, you can click the Close and Continue Shopping button. It will take you to the previous page.
No, Toggle, I do wish to buy this camera. What do I do now?
Well, for buying the camera, you need to make the payment. To make the payment, click on Place Order. The email login form appears asking for your email address and whether you are already registered as a Flipkart customer. As you're a new customer, you can enter an email address and click on Continue. Look, the shipping address form has appeared. Now you have to enter your home address here so that they can deliver the camera to your home. Goggle, I hate to interrupt, but there is something very important that I need to ask you at this stage.
Sure, go ahead and ask.
Do you have your parents' permission to be shopping online?
Yes, I do, Toggle. Before I went to the shop, Mom had given me this debit card to use. Once I told her about online shopping, she has even sanctioned my upper spending limit.
Great, then let us proceed.
Okay, Toggle. Where were we? Right. I have filled up the address in the shipping address form. Now what?
Now click on Save and Continue. The order summary form appears. Check the details. It contains the details about the camera that you wish to purchase, and if you find it all correct, then click on Continue.
Toggle, can I still change or cancel my order?
Yes, Goggle. In case you wish to purchase more than one camera, you can always click on Change to change the quantity, or you can click on Remove Item if you decide not to buy the camera. You can change the shipping address as well.
No, Toggle, I wish to purchase the camera, so I can click the Continue button, right?
That's right, Goggle. Look, the payment options form has appeared. Select a payment method.
How do I make the selection?
If you choose to pay by credit or debit card, the site verifies your card by forwarding your card details to a card verification service, after which your order is processed.
Does that mean that after the verification, I will have to go to the bank to transfer the money from my account to Flipkart's account?
Not required, Goggle. The card verification service will take the responsibility for transferring the money from your bank account to Flipkart's bank account.
Will not that be risky? Suppose my debit card number and password is leaked on the internet?
No need to worry, Goggle. Nowadays, data transfer is encrypted to protect all parties against any fraud.
Okay, let me fill in the payment details now.
If you have finished entering the details of your debit card, click on Pay. Now your payment is confirmed.
Great! I have made the payment. How do I receive the camera now?
Once your order is accepted, the warehouse where Flipkart stores cameras and other products is notified. The warehouse packs your item and it is delivered to your address through courier.
That's a great way to shop, Toggle. Fast and smart and right from the comfort of your home. Thanks for all your help, Toggle.
Pleasure, Goggle. Enjoy clicking pictures with your new camera. Bye and see you later.
The conclusion of this chapter is e-commerce is an attractive option for businesses because it can reduce their cost of transaction. E-commerce will remain a reality as long as the internet exists. But with this, data security and the possibilities of fraud are also still a major concern. But the computer engineers are trying to work on that.